Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to navigate into your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to additional settings, scroll again all the way down to backup and reset, and then select reset phone. Erase all data, once more, and this will now begin resetting our phone. This entire process will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient, but once it's finished, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.